Hello guys, it's your girl Eko Bellissima. I hope all of you are doing well. On today's recipe is very simple and delicious and quick as such. I'm preparing pasta with tuna. Very simple one. So let's see our ingredients. I have my pasta, olive oil, tuna, onion, fresh tomatoes, summer squash. In Italy we call it zucchini. Then garlic, salt to taste, then grated cheese. So let's start with our recipe. I have my already boiled water on fire. I'm putting my pasta inside. And then add a little salt to it and cook it for about 30 minutes. Hi guys, I've already told you this recipe is very simple. If you are feeling lazy, you can use this recipe. Very simple one. Right now, whilst my pasta is on fire, I'm preparing my tuna. I'm pouring olive oil, about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then you add your onion. I'm using half of onion, plus your garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. I've already chopped. Then you stir it together and then leave it about 2 minutes for the onion to fry a little bit. It's delicious too, Very delicious. I'm adding my tuna. Also stir it. Adding my summer squash or zucchini. Plus my fresh tomatoes. So it is very simple. Then you add a little bit of water on the pasta, just a little bit, for your summer squash to be very soft and not raw. Then you stir it. Then you add a little bit of salt to taste. We're almost done. That's a simple one. Guys, our pasta stew is ready. I'm just transferring it straight into my tuna. Very simple recipe. Together, stir it together. We are ready. It's a simple meal for the lunch. You can even have it in dinner. Very simple one. Pasta with tuna. Very simple. I hope you really enjoy it and try it for your girl.
You don't ever wanna give me. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Sprinkling some grated cheese on top of it. You can enjoy it like that, but I have fried turkey wings on fridge. So let me serve myself. Just try it. Very delicious. You can see it's simple to prepare. Add more cheese on top of it. If today is the first time of watching this video, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment for your girl. Let me come and enjoy it. Cheers! Just enjoy it. Very hot. Very delicious. Try it for a girl, eh?